Alright, we're looking at lesson 107. Number word problems. What are numbers? We're going to be looking at word problems dealing with integers. So we have 496. You probably did this back like in kindergarten or first grade. You remember those little blocks? That like this block represented 100 and this block represented 10 and then 5 and 1. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So 4 times 100, you would have to have 4 100 blocks, right? And you'd have to have 9 tens and then 6 units. Oh, we're not getting. Y'all remember doing that? Okay. So 4 times 100 plus 9 times 10 plus 6 times 1 gives you the 496.
I was trying to remember those blocks. It's so green.
Yeah, they were different colors.
Well, ours was green. We didn't have ours was so green.
Oh, well, I think ours are different colors. But I'm looking I'm thinking back a pretty good ways here.
They were
blue in the book, but the little examples of green that we had.
I went to kindergarten. Red and green and blue. We would have like
Washington State?
Yeah, he's all over the world. He was born in California.
San Diego, and then you moved to Washington?
No.
Then to Mass. Okay.
And then to my other grandmother's house in Washington, and then my dad got a job in Washington, and we came here.
And then we met baby James.
Are you going to stay here until you graduate? Your dad says we're not moving?
My dad's
Okay. What does he do?
He,
For what? Okay. Okay. Cool. Okay, so now we're going to generalize. U is going to represent your units. And T is going to represent your tens. What is H going to represent? Hundreds. Okay. The reason you don't want to use ones, it looks like a 0. Like 1, 0, O, they all look the same. Does that make sense? You don't want to have an O in your equation. One, yeah. So O, 1, it looks like a 0. That's why we're using units for a U instead of an O for a 1, so that we don't have a 0. Okay? Alright, so we're going to use hundreds, tens, and units. Okay. The sum of the digits in a 2-digit counting number is 11. If the digits are reversed, the new number is 27 greater than the original number. What is the original number?
5.
We did this at the very end.
Hey, stop.
This is the very end.
56.
Maybe I can go to the bathroom and drop myself.
These aren't hard.
To go to the bathroom and drop it.
Our original number. We've got the tens and the units digit, right? So it would be 10 times your tens digit plus your units digit is the value of it, right? You with me? You with me on that?
Sure.
Okay. What would be your new number?
27.
Okay, so instead of T and U, what is it? U and T. You see how that works? You see how that works? Yeah, it reversed. So if it was, it's not, but if it was 12, what would be the new number? 21. Right? Now how do we make our thing, our equation from here? No. 10u, because it's in the tens place, plus t, because it's in the units place. Go with me?
Plus 27, I guess?
No, we'll get there. We're just making our new and our original numbers.
Okay. Keep going.
We started with 10. I just made them up. We started with tu, and that's 10t plus u. That is the number. We made our new number ut, which is 10u plus t. And now we are going to make an equation with them. So the new number, what is our new number? The,
She's put the words in, please.
ten.
10.
And 10 plates. We just talked
This
about
is the units that from the original, but now where is it? It's in the tens place, and the t is in the units place. So, that's where the 12 and the 21 came from. Okay, so our new number is 27 greater than the original number. So our new number equals, what is our original number? 10t plus u plus 27. You'll see how that works? The new number equals the original plus 27. What other equation can I make from that information? Okay, t plus u equals what? Do I have two equations?
Yes.
Do I have two unknowns? So I've got a system of equations that I can solve. This one is kind of already simplified, right? What about this equation?
No.
Okay, what can I do to simplify it?
Move the T and the U.
9u. 10 minus 1 minus 9t equals 27. Do you agree there? Now what could I do?
You can either substitute or eliminate with the.
I think substitute.
I prefer elimination.
On this one, I would eliminate.
Multiply by 9, right? 9u plus 9t equals 99. Now what? So what does u equal? No, that's not right. Wait. Yeah. So if our u equals 7, what does our t equal? So what was our original number? So what was our new number?
74.
Is 47 plus 27 74?
Like, who would have thought of this?
Saxon.
No, a lot of people. Y'all see how that works? Okay, let's look at another one.
Wait, it was a real person.
Saxon is the person who made the food.
I thought it was called Saxon.
No, it's his last name.
No, oh my God.
No, he died, I think. John Saxon Jr.
Junior. Okay, so there was the first one.
Your first one, did you call it calculator or something?
I doubt it.
Second calculator.
Saxon singer was
The editor was Nancy Warren.
Saxon
Graphic
singer
artist
was-
Scott Kirby, John Chitwood, and David
Kirby.
Oh
Bond.
yeah, graphics. Got lots of graphics.
Oh gosh, you have no idea how much goes into getting all of this lined up. It's a lot.
I don't know.
It's not like the pictures, it's just like getting it all on the page
I was just
in a readable.
only like a couple pictures though.
We're getting it all on the page, all the little exponents, all
Yeah.
the little bitty numbers,
Yeah.
all the annoying.
Yeah. It's a lot.
And thinking of these problems.
Go try and do that on, like, go pick a page and try and duplicate it on Word or something.
I don't
Okay.
have that much time.
Challenge
We go to
accepted.
point. But it's point.
Huh? Oh, I know how to do it.
I know how to do it, but it's not word on my computer.
Huh? Not on Smartboard. On Word, I know how to get to them. But Smartboard is really limited in its math stuff. You have to purchase another, like, software set to be able to use all the math stuff. And it's too expensive. I'm not buying it.
Wait,
What?
so-
I had it at West
Hold
Washita.
on, so do you go to Word, make all the little math stuff, take
If I have time. But it takes too long on some of it.
I kind of want to do this stuff with like
Alright. So. What is our original number?
Okay, how do you know that?
It always is tens and units. TU. When the digits are reversed, that's our new number. So what is our new number? Right?
Yep.
So 10t plus u is the value of that number. 10 times the tens digit plus the units digit.
Will it always be 10?
It might be 18.
Yeah, they could have an h in there too. For this one,
Which was 18?
they wouldn't say reverse them. They would say like they were rewritten.
But that's usually
100 h plus 10t plus u. For this one, what would be the value of it? 10u plus t. Does that make sense? Y'all see how that works? So, what equations can we make? U plus t equals 9. The new number was 45 less. Do you agree? The new number, oh, okay then. Like that. Right?
But it says
It's the same thing. Either one. Then what? What would you do next? Okay, what would you get for the second equation? Minus 10. Minus 10. Right? Then what? Elimination. 9t minus 9u equals 81.
okay, where did you get that?
This equation? Elimination. We're going to use this multiplied by 9. Oh, yeah. Thanks. Right?
Where did you get U plus T equals 9?
The sum of the digits of a two-digit counting number was 9. So u plus t is 9.
How many times the hundreds become that little complex one that's so annoying? It's on paper.
I don't know. Maybe. Did you get t equals 7? What does your u equal? So, what was the original number? T should be 7. I mean, 9 plus 9 is 18. Negative 9 plus 9 is 0. 45 plus 81 is 126.
Oh, that's what I did. I did. So I got.
Y'all see how that works? So, on these, does it help if you write, this is what my original number would be? This is what my new number would be?
Yes.
And then you know, hey, okay, original number. Well, this is what it tells me is my original number. And then it says new number. This is what it tells me my new number is. If you try and do it all in your head, it's going to be very possible that you make a mistake.
Yay.
Does that make sense on these? Do y'all see how they work? So, new number. What happens if you reverse the digits? They switch. Do they still have the same equation? 10t plus u? Should this one also be 10t plus u? No, that would be the same number. Does that make sense? Will you ever get fractions on these?
Maybe. No.
If I have a 2-digit number, what are your digits?
You can't have a 10th place in a fraction.
Does that work?
Yes.
Yes.
Totally. 1,000%
Totally possible.
So if you get fractions on this, are you wrong?
There.
Okay. So that at least helps you know that you are wrong. Any questions on these?
No.
Okay. Usually they're going to be positive numbers. Usually. I don't know that they'll ever be negative, but anyway.